Today we are going to test one of the purest sounding. In today's audio electronics practical session, we are going to perform a Class A amplifier sound test demonstration. Pure analog amplifier. High sound quality. Practical performance analysis. In this video, we will test sound clarity, observe waveform performance, measure heat generation, and calculate efficiency. So let's begin. Introduction. First, what is a Class A amplifier? A Class A amplifier is a linear power amplifier in which the transistor conducts for the full 360 degrees of the input signal. There is no crossover distortion. It provides excellent sound fidelity. But it has low efficiency, typically around 25–30%. Because the transistor remains on all the time, it provides smooth and distortion-free output. Class A amplifiers are commonly used in high-end audio systems, preamplifier stages, studio equipment. They are preferred where sound quality matters more than efficiency. Objective of sound test. Now, what is the purpose of this sound test? The objective is to check audio clarity, observe distortion level, measure heat generation, analyze output sound quality, compare with other amplifier classes. This practical test helps us understand real-world performance beyond theory. Test setup components. For this experiment, we require Class A amplifier circuit, DC power supply, audio signal source, mobile or laptop, function generator optional, 8 ohm speaker, multimeter or oscilloscope optional but recommended. The DC supply powers the amplifier. The signal source provides input audio. The speaker converts electrical signal into sound. And the oscilloscope helps analyze waveform quality. Circuit configuration. The typical configuration used is single transistor, BJT. Common emitter configuration. Biasing resistors. Coupling capacitors. Output speaker connected via capacitor. Important point. The transistor remains on all the time. This continuous conduction is the main reason behind smooth outputs, no crossover distortion, but high heat generation. Input signal. For testing, we use two types of input. One keycap 1 kHz sine wave for waveform analysis. Two keycap music signal for real sound test. Input voltage range approximately 100 mV to 500 mV. The sine wave helps us observe distortion clearly on the oscilloscope. Music input helps us evaluate practical sound quality. Sound observation. During the sound test, we observe output sound is smooth. No crossover distortion. Very clear mid-range frequencies. Natural tone quality. Low noise if properly biased. The audio feels warm and natural compared to many other amplifier classes. This is why audiophiles prefer Class A amplifiers. Heat observation. Now let's talk about heat. Important observation. The transistor becomes warm quickly. High power dissipation occurs. Heat sink is required. Why does this happen? Because the transistor conducts continuously even when there is no input signal. That means power is consumed even in idle condition. Waveform analysis if oscilloscope used. On the oscilloscope, we observe clean sine wave. No clipping at small input. Symmetrical waveform. However, at high input, clipping may occur. Distortion increases. But at normal operating levels, waveform quality is excellent. This confirms the linear operation of Class A amplifiers. Efficiency calculation. Now let's calculate efficiency. Efficiency of Class A amplifier. Maximum 25-30%. That means only 25-30% of input power is converted into useful output power. The remaining 70-75% is lost as heat. This is the biggest drawback of Class A amplifiers. Advantages observed. Advantages observed in this practical test. Excellent sound quality. Very low distortion. Simple design. Ideal for small signal amplification. For audio clarity and precision, Class A is outstanding. Disadvantages observed. Low efficiency. High heat generation. Requires large heat sink. Not suitable for battery system. Because of continuous conduction, it wastes a lot of energy. Final conclusion. Final sound test result. Best audio clarity. Smooth waveform. Ideal for high-quality audio systems. Not power efficient. Conclusion. Class A amplifiers are preferred where sound quality is more important than efficiency. If you want premium audio performance and are not concerned about power consumption, Class A is an excellent choice. If you found this practical demonstration helpful, like the video thumbs up sign. Share with your classmates. And subscribe for more electronics engineering practical content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.